Purple pancakes.
I feel I'm eating cake.
But how's the taste?
It's good, but
Really good. The flavor is so
it's
nice.
very disturbing.
But guess who's still over there nibbling? Oh, look at her. And this barbecue pulled pork sandwich. Ooh, it's really nice. And it's on a taro bun too. See, it's purple too. But not as purple as those delicious ube pancakes. And it's not too sweet either. It's just right amount of sweetness. She can't get enough of them. It does look like pink though. But it tastes there's nothing that I can compare these pancakes to. They're that good. So, YogurStory, you got it down. And you're the only one that has this. Good job. Way to go. We'll be back for these. Oh, we should get the recipe. We could play around with find our own recipe. Somebody doesn't like that idea. Fine, we'll just stick to coming here. Peace.